Good morning. I remember back when I started teaching, choice boards were a big deal. I remember using them when I taught reading, when I taught social studies, even later on when I moved into the math classroom. I use choice boards a lot. And you can search choice boards on the internet and you get all kind of options. But in today's world, where at my school we are a one-to-one school, every student has a laptop or with the fact that digital learning is ever looming on the horizon, I want to show you how to take that choice board and turn it into a digital choice board, something that students can do electronically. It almost combines the choice boards with the old web quest, or what we used to call a web quest. There are just so many options. So what I want to do is just show you real quick how I set mine up. I very simply went into Office 365, I went to PowerPoint, and I created a new presentation. I'm going to flip over and show you the one I've made and kind of talk to you about what is there. So this is just the template that I've created. Basically, this activity would have 6 options. Now you can change these, you can make the boxes bigger or smaller, whatever you need for your work to happen. But what I did is I put a little header box up top. You can make that smaller so that you have more room over here for activities. You can just do directions up here so that you could add a couple more activity boxes. And the good thing about this being online and in PowerPoint is that you could really move all these X's out here off the screen, and your students are still going to be able to access these when it comes time to check their assignments complete. So you can see there's a lot of ways here that you can adjust all of this. You could make this direction font a little bit smaller. You could add another box here. So I mean, there are a lot of things that you could do. But basically, what I recommend is that you build all of your assignments first and then build your markers. And here's why. Because I just added this box here, right? And so when I move this marker, it's behind the box. So you want to make sure that there's 2 ways to fix that. I can grab the box, make sure it's highlighted, go to shape, and then I want to send it to the back so that now when I drag this over, it covers it up. You'll want to check these because you don't want a student to grab it and drag it over a square and it be in the background. But again, that fix is to click on your shape, click shape here in the top, go to arrange, and you want to bring your markers all to the front. Now, in here within your boxes, you can link to Canvas documents, you can link to websites, Canvas pages. I mean, your options here are endless. Think about things that you do and work them into this digital choice board. Hey, so now that we've got our assignment created in Office 365, I want to go over to Canvas and I want to insert this assignment for students. This is real simple. I'm on my assignments page. I'm going to go to assignment, create a new assignment. For now, I'm just going to call it digital choice board, but I might, underscore and give it a title, based on what we're working on possibly. But this is going to be an external tool. We're going to load this as an Office 365 cloud assignment. I'm going to go in and look for digital choice. That's going to pull up my assignment. I'm going to select it and I'm going to attach that file. So what this is going to do is create this as an Office 365 driven assignment for our students. I'm just going to throw some point values in here real quick, throw in a due date. I want to be able to see it. So I'm going to save it. So now here's what it looks like for students. They see the choice board. They see everything that is here. And for them, they will be able to edit the presentation and click the links, do the activities, move the marker. They'll be able to submit this. Students will have a submit button up here. And every day I would encourage them to hit submit, because you get to see each iteration as they submit it, so that those documents, you can see what they did on day one, where they got on day two, and so forth. I hope you like this. I hope you find this beneficial. Have a great day.
Hey guys, thanks for watching today's edition of Tech Tips with Mr. Reece. Don't forget, subscribe down below and share it with your friends. Bye.